Okay, well that. And they give us these ube colored blankets. Some ube colored blankets. Decent amount of leg space actually compared to other airlines. You put in with a pillow. How does this work? What does this arrow indicate? Ah. Cup.
We care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country for the safety of everyone in this flight.
Before settling down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat and food. Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
Overnight kit. Site. Eye mask. And socks. So they just gave us economy class menu. Okay, main sweet sour pork, spaghetti meatballs, chocolate pudding. Breakfast, we got beef adobo and egg and bacon and egg. Ooh. Interesting. So according to this menu, you can have sweet and sour pork or spaghetti and meatballs for dinner. And I chose sweet and sour pork, but all the dinners come with bun, butter, quinoa salad, custard, drink, and this looks like it could be for coffee or tea later. So I found out even the alcohol is included and they're free. But I figured I wouldn't want to be lightheaded when I'm already 40,000 feet in the air. Also, cola, uncola, diet cola, diet uncola, but no unginger ale. elapsed. We have 2.5 hours left. And they're serving us breakfast. Fun. We all got the adobo, eggs, and the old tropical fruit. Good stuff.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 3:46 in the morning and the date today is December 28, 2022. The ground temperature is recorded at 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.